So, I was hanging out with friends when someone asked, "What exactly is an API?" Suddenly all eyes were on me. It sounds like a scary tech term, but it's actually simple. APIs are everywhere, quietly making your apps work together. Think of an API as a helpful set of instructions that lets different apps talk to each other. It's the reason your digital life feels so connected. My goal? Break it down with easy, real-life examples. No coding required. By the end, you'll spot APIs in action all around you. You'll see how apps show maps, process payments, or play your favorite song, all thanks to APIs. APIs are the backstage pass to how the digital world really works. So, let's skip the jargon and take a quick, simple tour. Ready? Let's start with a walk in the park. Trust me, it'll make sense in a second. Picture a huge park. On one side, a busy city, your ride-sharing app. On the other, an island packed with map data like Google Maps. The app needs that map info but can't just grab it. There's a river in between. You need a bridge. That bridge is the API. It's built for one purpose: to let you cross safely, following the rules. You can't wander everywhere, just to a specific spot, like a visitor center. The API lets the app ask, "What's the fastest route from A to B?" and only gives that answer. It's secure, controlled, and efficient. Developers don't need to build their own maps, they just use the API bridge. The bridge analogy shows APIs connect, have rules, and keep things safe. Apps only get what they need, nothing more. That's how your favorite apps work together seamlessly. Let's make it even more personal. Imagine ordering coffee at a cafe. You're the user, the kitchen is the complex system. You don't shout your order into the kitchen, you talk to the barista. The barista is your API. You use a menu, API documentation, to make a clear request. The barista translates your order for the kitchen, then hands you your drink. You get what you want without knowing how it's made. APIs work the same way. They simplify things. Apps just make clear requests. APIs handle the complex stuff and deliver results. Without APIs, every app would have to build everything from scratch. APIs let developers focus on what matters most. Now you'll start seeing APIs everywhere. Your weather app. It uses an API to get data from a weather service. Shopping online and paying with PayPal or Apple Pay. That's an API connecting the store to the payment system. Logging in with Google or Facebook? API. Watching a YouTube video on a blog? API. Tracking your food delivery driver on a map? API. Even music apps like Spotify use APIs to recommend songs or share music to Instagram. APIs are the invisible glue of the internet. They connect services, share info, and make everything work together. All thanks to these behind-the-scenes helpers. So, how does an API actually work? It's a simple three-step dance request. Process, respond. First, the app sends a request, like you ordering coffee or asking for the weather. The API processes it behind the scenes, doing the hard work. Then, it sends back a response. Your coffee, the weather spot, and payment confirmation. The app takes that info and shows it to you in a friendly way. APIs are messengers, letting apps communicate and share data. This simple cycle powers almost everything you do online. APIs make the digital world possible, securely, efficiently, and invisibly. Now that you know, you'll spot them everywhere. APIs are the building blocks of modern tech. The more you understand, the more you'll appreciate your favorite apps. Keep exploring. Peace.